Practicum Sangadam Mahasangraja Tibeti Wokri, the President of Supreme Council of Dhamma Yutta Nikaya of Kingdom of Cambodia, and the director and founder of the SIHAMONI Raja Buddhist University. Mr. Nguyen Srai Pakday, directors of SIHAMONI University, Mrs. Panchan Chakya, director of SIHAMONI Raja Buddhist University, Venerable Professor, student, good morning to you all, and welcome to the Practicum orientation today. All beloved students, I am so glad to meet all of you now. Today is a good day in SIHAMONI Raja Buddhist University because the Practicum orientation. We know clearly that you feeling very concerned with your upcoming teaching Practicum because some of you have never experienced teaching before and some of you have experiences for years. So in this regard, the Practicum, right? Most of you do not understand. Like the director asks you, and you answer, you don't know how to do anything, you don't know how to write. So that's why we should read the Practicum today. You don't know what to do, you don't know what to prepare and how to design your lesson for your teaching Practicum. You feel worried what students will raise questions to ask you and what will happen during the class while you are teaching in the class. If you can control your student or manage your class well or not, you are not aware of how to respond to all of those questions and solve those situations. So the Practicum orientation which we are going to do can help you to come up with all of those concerns. Please, all beloved students, stop feeling worried, nervous, or unhappy from now on, because your supervisor is always beside you, help you, encourage you, and to empower you. So if you have any difficult problem with your teaching or preparing a lesson, you can discuss with your supervisors. Supervisor will stay beside you and help you all the time. At the end of the Practicum orientation today is to put all of you into real practice. As you know that you have learned for 4 years of Bachelor of English in teaching as the foreign language. And you have learned a lot of theory. But now, at the end of year 4, it is time for you to use theory into practice in the real class, real situation. And you learn how to prepare your lesson. You learn how to prepare yourself. And you learn to experience with your real student in the class. So from now on, you will have experience. And you can use all of those experience to apply into your real job. So the Practicum orientation, the Practicum is one of the most important steps in the year 4 or at the end of Bachelor of English. Because the Bachelor of English is focused on much on the teaching skill. So in order to finish in order to complete your Bachelor, you have to go through the Practicum and write your report. Even though you cannot get your degree and you cannot get your transcript, that is very important. Practicum can the credit of Practicum is also 3 credit, and this one also 3 credit. So this is very important. So you have to prepare well in your teaching and prepare yourself for the upcoming different. Okay, try your best. And one more, the Practicum orientation today become accustomed to teaching in the real class setting. So now we are training you to be the real teachers, experienced teachers, through doing the Practicum. Okay, one more, the aim of the orientation today is to develop and expand your teachings, expertise and confidence. So through your Practicum, you will have more experience and you will feel confident with your skill. You will realize that you have enough ability to be a good teacher, a professional teacher, that you can apply for your job. Venerable, distinguished student, I strongly hope that all of the participants will gain more knowledge, experience, and feel more confident. Be aware of teaching process by eliminating any hesitation and low esteem after this Practicum orientation. Additionally, I believe that all of you will do well in your teaching Practicum and will gain more teaching experience to apply your real job to get higher scores in terms of your cleverness, energy, self-confidence, hopefulness, and enthusiasm. Last but not least, I would like to wish His Holiness Burgri good health, strength, and full of wisdom. I also wish all of you success in your teaching Practicum with expected marks altogether. So I hope that at the end of your teaching Practicum, you will get a higher score altogether through your trying best, through your enthusiasm, through your cleverness, smartness. I believe that all of you can do it. Once again, I would like to announce the opening of the Practicum orientation from now on. I would like to wish all of you a fruitful discussion and successful orientation. Thank you.